So I don't want to brag, but I kind of went out and bought a 2009 Ducati Monster 1100. So any of you that have watched some of my recent videos, you watched some videos where I took apart a black Monster 1100. Well, I love the bike and I figured I'd get my own. So this one is actually better than that one. This one has new tires, date code 2018. I'll be replacing the stock brake lever, clutch lever with black shorties. The clutch fluid is dark and I'll replace that. I'm going to replace the brake lines with red braided brake lines. It does have the battery tender. I may or may not replace the clutch line, I don't know. Pretty lucky this bike did have the Termignani exhaust on it already. There is a few scratches where a belt buckle probably hit the gas tank. Nothing really major with this bike. It had a recent belts and valve adjustment were done. Rear brake fluid needs to be replaced. I'm going to replace that as well. Whenever you see the Termignani pipes on a Ducati, always turn the key and look for the racing. So when the key comes on and you see racing scroll across the screen, that tells you that it's got the race ECU and not the OEM. This bike starts up perfectly every time. The last Ducati that I did had a Shirai battery, a lithium battery. I'm not a fan of those. It did not have the cold cranking amps to start a Ducati. I will be putting a vented dry clutch cover on here. I am going to leave that long tag holder on the back. This sticker is already off the bike, so don't even ask. I don't know why people put stickers on motorcycles, but that sticker's gone. The back cowl's been polished. This bike sounds great with the Termignanis, but this is my walk around of the 2009 I just bought for myself. Thanks for watching.